Hey Queens! Today we are going to make 4 DIY ideas to decorate your nightstand. Let's start with designer books. You will need 2 books, A4 paper, printed designer logos, glue stick, and of course scissors. Choose a book that is small enough to fit inside the A4 paper. It's very important that it has a wide spine. Start by placing the brand's name that must be in the center of the paper over the book's spine. Fold the other sides of the paper to know exactly how you're going to glue it on the book without any mistakes. Glue the center first, and then the sides. Cut the corners like this. Fold the sides and glue them to the inner side of the book for more aesthetically pleasing look. Repeat the same steps on the other side. If the book that you have is a little bit bigger, the A4 paper isn't going to cover it. But that's okay. Just make sure the designer's name is a little bit lower, not exactly in the middle. Use a blank paper to cover this part. Add 1 or 2 centimeters to fold it and glue it to the inner side of the book. And now, just repeat the same steps. And voila! Now you can enjoy reading your books with these beautiful covers or just use them for decoration. Chanel vase. You will need a square vase, printed Chanel No. 5 perfume logo. As you can see, there are 3 logos with 3 different dimensions, and I will choose one of them. Glue stick, scissors, and roses. Look how gorgeous these are. Cut the logos and choose the one that suits the vase dimensions. And now just glue it. Measure the length of the rose to know where to cut it. I wanted the front row to be a little bit shorter, but it's up to you, of course. I used the leaves to cover the flower stems, but this part is optional. Chanel candle. You will need black glass paint. I thought I would need white glass paint, but I didn't use it, and you will know why in just a moment. Brushes, a candle jar or any used candle that you have, printed Chanel logo. Start by cleaning the candle jar. Soak it in hot water for 30 minutes to remove the sticky label. Paint it black and leave it to dry for at least 12 hours. Then paint the other side and also leave it to dry for 12 hours. My first idea was to use the logo as a stencil. But it will be very hard because of this piece in the middle. So I decided to color the logo with this black marker and then decorate it. Here I made a huge mistake because I used the wrong glue and I didn't cut the logo before gluing. So I finished and everything was great, but all the pieces started to fall one by one, every single one of them. So I had to repeat everything all over again, but using the right type of glue this time. I used nail glue and it was just perfect. And here is the final result. Chanel in a frame. This was the easiest DIY. All you need is a frame and a printed Chanel logo. That's it. I bought this frame from IKEA, but you can use any frame and any logo. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Love you all. Till next week.